Hi, what's up? You look a bit down.
Hi. I found out my boyfriend cheated on me.
Oh no, that's terrible. How did you find out?
I saw some messages on his phone that were really suspicious, and when I confronted him, he admitted to cheating on me with someone else.
That must have been really hard to hear. How are you feeling now?
I feel betrayed and hurt. I thought he loved me, but now I don't know what to believe.
I understand. It's normal to feel that way when someone you trust breaks that trust. Have you talked to him about how you feel?
Yeah, but he didn't seem to care that much. He just said he was sorry and that it didn't mean anything.
That's not a good sign. Cheating is a serious issue and it's important for both people in a relationship to be committed to each other. Have you thought about what you want to do?
I don't know. Part of me wants to forgive him, but another part of me can't trust him anymore. I don't want to be in a relationship with someone I can't trust.
That's understandable. Trust is an important part of any relationship. Have you considered taking some time for yourself to think things through?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea. I need some space to figure out what I want and what's best for me.
Take all the time you need. And remember, you deserve to be with someone who loves and respects you. Don't settle for anything less.
Thank you. I really appreciate your support.
Of course. Is there anything else you want to talk about?
Well, I'm just not sure what to do now. I feel like I'm stuck in this situation and I don't know how to move forward.
It's okay to feel that way. This is a tough situation, and it's normal to feel stuck. But remember, you have the power to make decisions for yourself and your own well-being.
I guess you're right. It's just hard to know what the right decision is.
That's understandable. It can be difficult to know what to do in situations like this. But I think the most important thing is to prioritize your own feelings and needs.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I just don't want to make the wrong decision.
There's no such thing as a wrong decision. Whatever you decide, it will be the right decision for you in that moment. And if things change later, you can always reevaluate and make a different decision.
That makes sense. I just need to trust myself and my instincts.
Exactly. You know yourself better than anyone else, so trust your gut and do what feels right for you. And remember, you don't have to go through this alone. You have friends and family who care about you and are here to support you.
Thank you. I really appreciate your advice and support. Hey, what's wrong? You look upset.
Yeah, I just found out my girlfriend cheated on me.
Oh no, that's terrible. How did you find out?
I saw some messages on her phone that were really suspicious. When I confronted her about it, she finally admitted to cheating on me.
I'm so sorry. That must be really hard to hear.
Yeah, it is. I just don't understand why she would do something like that.
Sometimes people make mistakes and do things they regret. Have you talked to her about how you feel?
Yeah, I told her that I was really hurt and didn't know if I could forgive her.
That's understandable. It's important to take some time to think about what you want to do next.
I just don't know if I can trust her again.
Trust is definitely an important part of any relationship. It might take some time to rebuild that trust if you decide to stay with her.
I just feel so betrayed. I gave her everything and she just threw it all away.
It's okay to feel that way. Betrayal can be a really tough thing to deal with.
I just don't know what to do now.
It's important to take some time for yourself and think about what you really want. You deserve to be with someone who treats you well and respects you.
Yeah, I guess you're right. It's just hard to let go of all the good memories we had together.
I know, it's not easy. But sometimes we have to make tough decisions for our own well-being.
Thanks for listening to me. It really helps to talk about it.
Of course, anytime. I'm here for you if you need me.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Is there anything I can do to help you right now?
Just being here and talking to me is really helpful. I don't have anyone else to talk to about this.
I'm glad I can be here for you. Have you thought about talking to a therapist or counselor about this?
Yeah, I've considered it. I think it might help me sort through my feelings and figure out what to do next.
That's a good idea. It can be really helpful to talk to a professional about these things.
I just wish things could go back to the way they were before. We had such a good relationship, and now it's all ruined.
I know it's hard, but sometimes we have to accept that things can't go back to the way they were. You have to decide what's best for you moving forward.
Yeah, you're right. I just don't want to make the wrong decision.
It's normal to feel uncertain in situations like this. But remember, you deserve to be happy and respected in your relationship.
Thanks for your support. It means a lot to me.
Anytime. Just know that you're not alone in this.
I appreciate that. It's good to know that I have someone to talk to.
Absolutely. And if you need anything, just let me know.
I will. Thanks again for being there for me.
No problem. Take care of yourself, okay?
I will. Thanks.
Hey, what's up? You seem a little upset. What happened?
Yeah, I am. My girlfriend cheated on me.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. When did it happen?
I found out last night. She went out with her friends and I saw a text from a guy on her phone. It was really flirty and it made me suspicious, so I asked her about it. She admitted that she had been cheating on me for a while.
That's really tough. How are you feeling?
I'm pretty angry and hurt. I trusted her and she betrayed me. I don't know if I can forgive her.
I can understand why you would feel that way. Have you talked to her about how you feel?
Yeah, I told her that I'm really upset and that I don't know if I can trust her again. She said she was sorry and that she wants to work things out, but I don't know if I can believe her.
It's important to take some time to think about what you want. Do you want to try to work things out, or do you think it's better to end the relationship?
I don't know yet. I need some time to think about it. I just feel so hurt and betrayed right now.
That's completely understandable. Just take your time and don't rush into any decisions. You deserve to be with someone who respects and loves you.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I just can't believe she would cheat on me like that.
It's definitely a tough situation. But remember that it's not your fault. Her actions were her own and you don't have to take responsibility for them.
Yeah, I know. It's just hard not to feel like I did something wrong.
You didn't do anything wrong. You were a good partner and you deserve someone who will treat you with the same respect and loyalty.
Thanks, I really appreciate that. It's nice to have someone to talk to about this.
Of course, anytime. Just remember that you're not alone and there are people who care about you.
Thanks, that means a lot. I just need some time to figure things out.
Take all the time you need. And if you need someone to talk to or just hang out with, I'm here for you.
Thanks, that really means a lot. I'll keep that in mind.
Hey, what's going on? You look upset.
I found out that my girlfriend cheated on me.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did this happen?
I'm not exactly sure, but it seems like it happened a few weeks ago.
Do you know who she cheated with?
Yeah, it was one of her coworkers.
That's really tough. Have you talked to her about it?
Yeah, I confronted her about it and she admitted to cheating. She said it was a mistake and that she still loves me.
Do you think you can forgive her?
I don't know. I feel really hurt and betrayed. I don't know if I can trust her again.
That's understandable. Trust is really important in a relationship.
Yeah, and I thought I could trust her. It's just really hard to believe that she would do this to me.
Have you thought about taking a break from the relationship to think things through?
Yeah, I think that's probably a good idea. I need some time to figure out what I want to do.
I'm here for you if you need anything. Just remember that you deserve to be treated with respect and honesty in a relationship.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I just feel really hurt right now.
It's okay to feel hurt. You don't have to rush into any decisions. Just take your time and do what's best for you.
Yeah, I will. Thanks for being there for me.
Anytime. Just remember that you're not alone and that you deserve to be happy.
Thanks, I'll keep that in mind.